Hello friends, good morning. So guys, I will start my new topic, discuss about the importance of English language. So friends, language is very important way to express our thought. People speak many different languages around the world. English is very important because it is an international language. It helps us become successful and develop our personality. If we know English very well, we can study more and get better job. English is also useful for business, both in our country and in other country. We can work in the international market if we know English very well. Today, most study materials and magazines are in English. That is why many people want to improve their English. Parents send their children to English medium school, and many people join private coaching classes. They also watch English news and movies on TV. To improve my English, I have joined this class, Bharat Education Center. I always follow my teacher's advice. I am trying to learn new words, and I practice the sentences patterns explained in the class regularly. I am trying to real interesting. I am trying to real. I am trying to read interesting English books and the magazine. Times of India also. I also watch English program and movies on TV. My friend and I have made a group. We talk only in English. Thank you.